I may have to work today, but that doesn't mean I can't celebrate Earth Day.
Don't know why you say goodbye, I say hello.
Hello fishies, today is April 22nd. It is Earth Day, and unfortunately I have to work, but I have a little bit of time until work, so I'm going on a little nature adventure in my car camper. So it's a beautiful day, and I figured it would be a good day to get out for a little bit. Just because I have to work doesn't mean I can't carve out some time to do things that make me happy. So I'm gonna stop at this little park along the river, and I was thinking maybe pick some trash, do some art, and just chill out in the car camper and just relax until I have to go to work. On the road again, I can't wait to get on the road again. I don't know the rest of the words, da-da-da. I can't wait to get on the road again. Here we are. It's almost a nice view, but then there's that whole little fence thing. It kind of ruins it. Let's just look over here. And there's people over there. Let's just zoom in. Beautiful. There we go. Before I can have any fun, I do have some work I need to do, but I think it is kind of toasty in here, and I'm just gonna go for a little walk first. Nice. Let's see. Look at all those dandelions. So pretty. It's the schuylkill. It's kind of hard to say schuylkill. Can you say it? No. Look. Mugwort. Trash. And there's a trash can right there too. Oh! That scared me. Look at these cool tables. I think I will do a sit. Oh no! Someone left their glasses. How will they read? How will they not be blinded by the sun? More trash. No. Gross. Don't litter. Look at this little bee. Doing his little bee thing. So cute. Hello. And I'll leave him alone now. I brought my markers. It's time to do some art. I just remembered I have work to do, so better get started on that. Once again, an unfinished project by Gil. Okay, we're actually getting really chilly, so I'm gonna go back to the car. I think I need to straighten things up in here a little bit. Get in there. That's better. Whew, I think I need to open a window. It is toasty in here. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna do some more artsy stuff. I've got this little hanging mermaid tail that I have on my mirror. It was meant to be painted or something. I never got around to it, but now I'm getting around to it. Let's go. I think I'm gonna need blue and a lighter shade of blue. Wow, there's a lot of shades of blue. Ta-da! I love it. I think it turned out really pretty. Let's hang it up again. It looks so good. I love it. Well, unfortunately, I do have to end this little vlog because I have to go to work. No! So, wish me luck, everybody, and have a magical day. Bye-bye.